What if I told you that this video was created without having any food for free and just by using my phone? And in this video, we'll be showing you how you can create videos just like these for free by using your phone and make thousands of dollars each month on YouTube and TikTok. Using TikTok's creativity program beta, first we're going to tell ChatGPT to write a list of the most popular movie snacks. And here's our list. And now we're going to tell them to write prompt descriptions about each one. And this is so we can create our visual images. And now we're going to copy one of the prompt descriptions. And then we're going to go on Leonardo AI and click on Create New Image. And then we're going to paste our prompt description from ChatGPT into the prompt. And then we're going to click on Generate. And now we have our picture. And now we're going to convert it from a picture to a video, just by one click. All you need to do is click on Image to Motion and click on Generate. And we kept the motion strength to 5. And here's how our video looks like. Now go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI in CapCut. And then add your transitions. And you can choose different transitions for each one, or you can choose one and apply it to all of the video clips. And now we're going to add our text, so click on Text and then Add Text. And then we're going to write World's Most Popular Movie Snacks. Then click on Text to Speech and click on the voice that you want. We clicked on British Male. And then we're going to write for this clip, number 1 burger. And you can also add more descriptions about the video. For example, we can say number 1 burger with a side of fries and a cold drink. After writing the text, click on Text to Speech and click on the voice that you want. And after you do that with all of the video clips, you need to delete all of the text and click on Auto Captions and choose the text that you want. And make sure all of your spelling on your text is correct, because sometimes there can be mistakes. And once you finish, click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner to download your video. And then wait until it's 100% and then you have your video. And if you want to know how to create luxury style house videos without having a house for free just by using your phone to make thousands of dollars each month on TikTok and YouTube, make sure you watch the video in the description box below. And thanks for watching!